This is your night, own it. It's time to open your eyes to the future and let it begin. Let the light shine in. Open your eyes and take flight. Own the night. This is for all those who are counted down and out to get to where they have to be. And all those who feel time's ticking away. It's time to open your eyes and take flight. Open your eyes and realize this is your night, own it. Because you're not the first one to be counted down and out. You're not the first one to have gone through all this. It's time for you to open your eyes and see. It's time for you to open your eyes and believe. It's time to open your eyes and be free. Own the night. Own the moment. Because the future is within your grasp. With every minute that passes. Let the light shine in and let it begin. It's time to open your eyes and take flight. Never give up the fight. Let your dreams be met. Own the night. It's time to open your eyes and be free. It's time to open your eyes and see. Let it begin. Let the light shine in. Just a little sound bite. I don't know. I'm working on getting some sort of flow going. Hopefully you check this out. There might be more sound bites in earlier videos that you might be able to kind of put it together and make one solid track. So let me know, and thanks again.